A new robot called Wanderbot is showing a very different future for exploration, and the idea behind it is surprisingly smart. Instead of burning through batteries just to move, this robot uses wind power to help it travel across harsh places like deserts, polar regions, and even other planets. It is a low-cost, fully 3D printed machine built with a Savonius wind turbine and a walking mechanism inspired by Jansen's famous Strandbeest designs. That means it is not just made to move, but also made to survive where repairs are difficult and every bit of energy matters. The real excitement is in what this could lead to. Robots that can stay active for long missions without depending so heavily on batteries or human support. Right now, Wanderbot is still an early prototype, and one of its biggest challenges is learning how to turn properly. But if that problem gets solved, this simple wind-powered walker could become the first step towards self-sufficient robots built for the world's hardest environments.